Written in 1960, at the age of 53, this was Hergé's personal favourite book. In it he links the storyboard to The Blue Lotus, 1934, in my opinion his masterpiece. The latter is an exposé of the invasion of China by Japan, allies of Nazi Germany, and eager to join the European nations in the international land grabbing that has never stopped taking place. Brute military strength, the drugging of a population, in this case through opium, are all demonstrated. Neither does Hergé slacken on the symbolism, the Masonic white gloves, checkered socks, and costumes of the elite, notably what is referred to as a dinner jacket. The idea is that power through wealth has left these personalities in life's drama angry, with no respect for life. The fakir, famous yoga master, wears just a loincloth, almost overly submissive and polite, with supernatural control over thought and body. A bit of humour used, the exploits are exaggerated, and he gets hurt by a pillow. Interesting that while the bespectacled Bobby Smiles is planning to manipulate the future to his benefit, Farah Marchal sees it. Tintin in Tibet sets the scene. This time, an idyllic alpine hotel. The air is described as like champagne. Contented groups of middle-class peoples, removed from the cares of the world, at peace and able to do as they wish with the day. What follows begins with a dream and awakening. Which drops in and sends shock waves through the ice-calm waters. The chessboard is sent flying. What he sees is a vision of his friend from the Blue Lotus surviving a plane crash in the Tibetan mountains. Synchronistic events begin happening to enforce the belief that his friend has survived. It is a direct refutation of logic and believing the newspaper and everyone else who are convinced otherwise. The old cliche, follow your heart, comes to mind. Trust in one's instincts, even in the face of disbelief and ridicule. Some flat earth visuals. What I see is all one plane, with the mountains the top of vast underground mineral structures. The creasing up of plate boundaries in an epic collision scenario doesn't tally with the observations for me. As I may have mentioned in an earlier video, Tintin is just a metaphor for the better self. The real persons, Captain Haddock and others, succumb to human frailties. First, the porters abandon the others for fear of the Migu or Bigfoot. Then the captain breaks the tent before reaching physical exhaustion. Finally, Snowy is tempted on a metaphysical level by an angel and demon and fails. In a twist at the end, it turns out that the Bigfoot that everyone was afraid of, and perhaps represents the untamed wilds, actually protected Chang all along, giving him refuge in a cave, and roots, shrubs and small animals to eat.